Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your identity with Uphold detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your identity with Uphold, begin by visiting the Uphold website. Log into your account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Verify Your Identity option and click on it. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. You will be asked to enter some personal information, including your full name and date of birth. Fill out the required fields accurately to avoid any issues. Next, provide your residential address, ensuring it matches your official documents. You'll need to upload identification documents to confirm your identity. Typically, you can choose between a passport, driver's license, or a government-issued ID. Click on the Upload ID button and select the file from your device. Make sure the image is clear and all edges of the document are visible. After uploading your ID, you may also need to provide a secondary document for verification. This could be a utility bill or any official document that has your name and address. Follow the prompts to upload the secondary document. Once both documents are uploaded, review your information for accuracy. Submit your verification request by clicking the appropriate button. Uphold will review your documents, which may take several minutes to a few days. You will receive a notification on your dashboard once your identity verification is complete. If additional information is needed, Uphold will contact you via email. Once verified, you'll have full access to your account features, including deposits and withdrawals. Make sure to check your email regularly for updates on your verification status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.